Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video I will make an unboxing and give you my first impressions of the LG RNC9. So this is the best party speaker from LG. As you already saw, I have there the Sony XV900. On the back I have the JBL Party Box 710, the JBL Party Box Ultimate, the JBL Party Box 1000, and I was very curious how the LG speaker sounds. So let's make an unboxing to see what we have in the box, to see how the speaker looks, and of course how it sounds. I am very curious about the lights, even the lights. And this should be an all-in-one speaker, so probably it will have more features than JBL speakers, but we will see if we will use those features. So as you see, it is brand new. Here we have the radio antenna. Here we have the remote control. This is the first party speaker that has a remote control, and the easiest way to take out a large speaker is just like this. Open the top and just put it just like this. Of course the speaker, it is very heavy, so no wheels. But I have unboxed probably every big speaker on the market. Ooh, XBoom. Okay, let's plug it in. And now let's turn it on. The first time that the speaker is powered on. And no USB, it says here. Lightning party. Okay, so the lights just pop out. So what we have here? We have two 8-inch woofer and two 1-inch tweeters. Here we have the bass reflex, just like the Sony XV900. The JBL Party Box 710 have two 8-inch woofer, just like the XBoom. I think the comparison between the Party Box 710 with the XBoom RNC9 will be great. Now let's see what we have here on the top. So we have the following: no USB, so it can play music from USB, USB 1, USB 2. We have on the back optical in. JBL speaker doesn't have optical, but Sony XV900 it has optical. Of course, just like every party speaker, it has the mic in and the guitar in. We have the Bluetooth menu, of course, Bluetooth ready. LG TV, so you can connect it via optical cable. And radio, probably that no one uses. So this is the function button, the lightning button, that will change the lights only on this part of the speaker, so only on the woofers. Here we have the button where you can pair two or more LG speakers. Here we have the DJ pad, but of course it is no match with the JBL Party Box 1000. It only has 3 buttons. just like the JBL Party Box Ultimate and just like the JBL Party Box 710. Here we have the volume. The maximum volume that you can go, it is till 40. Let's play a song to see how it will sound. I am very impressed. The LG RNC9, so the biggest and the best speakers from LG, cost me I think $420. For $420 it sounds very good. The sound, it is present, the highs are good. It's not that loud, but for $400 it sounds very good. It even has the radio. It has an optical cable. It doesn't come in the box, but it has. It looks good. The lights are very weak, only on the 8-inch woofers, but the woofer sounds very good. So what can I say? My first impression is that I am very pleased by the LG RNC9. I think, in my opinion, it is very good at $450. I'll bet that it is much better than the JBL Party Box 310 that cost $500, and it is small and it is smaller. On the internet I found that it has 1000 watts. Of course, I don't think it has 1000 watts like the JBL Party Box 1000 and the Ultimate that has 1100 watts. But yeah, for $420 US dollars, it is very good. I will make in a couple of days a cross comparison review between the LG RNC9 with the 710, with the XV900 from Sony, and with the Ultimate and with the JBL Party Box 1000, and I will tell you if the LG speaker it is worth buying or not. So my first impressions are very good about this speaker. If you like this kind of test, please support me and become a member of AudioTribe YouTube channel, and please hit that like button. Cheers!